Alright guys, so this is 2018 Mahindra ROXOR. This is one that we've got a 4-inch lift kit on that we built. We've got custom set of front springs, custom set of back springs. We also did the sway bar extensions with a quick detach where you can take it loose, hold it up out of the way if you want to. And then we've got some extended length shocks, extended length brake lines. Transfer case drop, try to keep your drive shaft angles where they need to be. When you look at it, the way we did this lift, we brought it up an even 4 inches in the front and an even 4 inches in the back. So it still has the same ride stand as the stock ROXORs that we have over here. It still sits a little higher in the back on the stock ones, and it still keeps that same type riding. Now, we do have a leveling shackle option available that we're going to add, and we'll do a video on that too, see how it sits. But what that's going to do is, if you did the 4-inch lift, you would actually end up gaining about 6.5 in the front in order for it to be level with the back. Now, we could also do the shackle kit without the lift kit and just have a level on it. Just depends on how big you want to go with it. These tires here are just shy of 33 inches. They're about 11 inches wide, 20-inch wheel. We're going to have some other options that we'll be displaying and talking about too. We're going to hop in, kind of tool around a little bit. It's this one. The only other thing we've got other than the lift kit on this particular LE model that does not come on it is going to be that windshield with the windshield wiper, just DOT type. So we're going to hop in, ride around a little bit, kind of show you how it rides with the lift kit and all installed on it. It's definitely more exciting to try to get in with a lift kit like this. No doubt about that. As far as turning, steering, driving, suspension articulation, all of that seems to feel every bit as good as what it did before. The suspension actually feels every bit as good as the stock one so far. We'll see once we get on some of these rough bumps and that kind of stuff. This particular ROXOR stock tune, no modifications as far as performance or anything goes, just lift kit, wheels, tires, windshield. As far as the parking lot jockeying goes, it seems to do pretty good. All right, guys. Any questions? Give us a shout. At it first cycle.